In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download location in Google Chrome. If your downloads keep piling up in one crowded folder, this quick tweak will help you stay organized and find files faster without digging around your computer. Start by opening Chrome. Then look to the very top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots. This is the More menu. Click it and choose Settings. Chrome opens Settings in a new tab so you can keep browsing if you need to. No need to hunt around. Everything we need is right here. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, click Downloads. This section shows you the exact folder where Chrome is currently saving files. You'll see a file path listed. Think of it as the home address for your downloads. If that path points to a folder that's cluttered or hard to remember, changing it will make your files much easier to track. Next, click the Change button. A file picker window will appear so you can browse your computer. Navigate to the place that makes the most sense for you, maybe a folder in Documents, your desktop, or even a dedicated folder on an external drive. If you want extra structure, create a new folder here with a clear name, like Chrome Downloads or Work Files, and then select it. When you're happy with the spot, click Select Folder. From now on, anything you download in Chrome, photos, PDFs, installers, will automatically land in that folder. This setting applies to Chrome only, and it updates immediately, so you'll see the new path reflected on the Downloads page right away. If you'd rather decide on the fly each time you download something, toggle on. Ask where to save each file. With this option enabled, Chrome will prompt you for a location every time you download. It adds one quick click, but it's great when you handle different types of files or separate work and personal items. If you find the repeated prompts slow you down, you can simply toggle it off later and return to the single default folder. That's it. With a few clicks, your downloads will always end up exactly where you want them, saving you time and keeping your computer tidy. Now your files will always be exactly where you want them. You're all set. Done.